We'll kind of walk down the main trail. We'll make the loop along the river. So every year, Audubon hosts the Christmas bird count. The small one right here, but it flew in on the right side. Now I lost it.
Is that a kestrel?
Yep, it's a kestrel. This is the Bell's Bend route. We'll go out throughout the month whenever those counts take place and basically count everything we see. Something just flew up here. That gets sent into the Audubon Society, and then Cornell, the Lab of Ornithology, they use all that data to figure out, long-term population trends and different things like that.
It's been a while since I've seen a harrier. It'd be nice to.
Hopefully we'll get one today.
Yeah.
The counts are nice because they represent a lot of different types of habitat throughout the city. Some of the counts are more wooded, like Radnor Lake and places like that. And then of course we've got this area with all the open fields, and there's different birds in each of those areas. A song sparrow calling. This is a great example of citizen science because normal everyday people can come out and contribute.
We got a downy up there too.
Yeah.
I'm here today at the Christmas bird count because I'm a pretty avid birder. This is my second year doing the count. It's really nice to be able to contribute to what Cornell Lab of Ornithology is actually doing. Cardinal in there too.
Oops, here's some more coming over.
It's really hard for them as just one entity to be able to capture all of the information, but being able to be a part of that citizen science, we can actually contribute to that and help them with all of their data and their numbers.
The counts are very important to the park because it helps us figure out what populations of birds are coming back to the park year after year, and how we can strategically plan how we maintain our fields for the habitats for those birds. There's not enough employees of Metro Parks to go around to gather up all this information.
2 flickers, downy, 2 red-bellied.
We wouldn't have this information if we didn't have volunteers that came out and this is their passion.
I found that pretty much any time I go out, I'm finding a new bird. The Sora this morning was actually a new bird for me, so that was really exciting. You just never know what to expect.
This is one way that you can get out and kind of help contribute to citizen science while enjoying the outdoors.
To learn about citizen science, tune in to American Spring Live on NPT.